Welcome to another practical video. Before we proceed to the highlights of this video, I would like to remind you to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And in this video, we're going to be approaching nodal analysis from a practical perspective based on theoretical insight. So as I mentioned in my earlier theory videos on nodal analysis, one of the core principles guiding nodal analysis are the node voltages. And now we're going to demonstrate how you can read node voltages practically in this video. And to do that, we'll be moving our reference nodes around. So at first we're going to make our reference node and measure the node voltages at 2, 3, and 4. Then we're going to make 2 our reference node and measure the other node voltages, and we're going to repeat that till we reach node 4. And before that, I'm going to try to predict the node voltages based on earlier calculations that I've done before I made this video. And in order to gain access to those calculations, you can follow the link in the description. Based on calculations on nodal analysis, we expect that if we make our reference node, we are going to get the voltage at node 2 to be minus 2.17, the voltage at node 3 to be minus 1.46, and the voltage at node 4 to be minus 9 volts. Okay, so now we're going to hook up our battery to the circuit. So we're going to put our negative terminal here. And our positive terminal. Okay, so then what we do next is with 1 as our reference node, that is, we're going to connect our negative terminal to 1. We are going to measure the node voltage 2, which is minus 2.22 volts. Then we're going to measure the node voltage at 4, and that gives us minus 9.09 volts. I'm going to measure the node voltage at 3, which is minus 1.48 volts. Let us proceed to node 2. If we make node 2 our reference node, we expect our voltage V1 to be 2.17 volts, voltage V2 to be 0.71 volts, and voltage V4 to be minus 6.83 volts. Let's put that to test. So we're going to hook up our battery. 9 volts battery may be slightly higher or lower. So let's test the battery first, and we get 9.09 volts. Okay, so we make node 2 our reference node. Okay, and we connect our positive to node 1. I'll get 2.21 volts. Okay, then node 4, at node 4 we have a voltage of minus 6.79, and at node 3 we have a node voltage of 0.20. Next reference node, which is node 3. At node 3, we expect V1 to be 1.72, V2 to be minus 0.52, and V4 to be minus 7.28. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook up our battery. Okay, so negative terminal here, positive terminal here. Then we're going to connect our negative to positive. I will get 1.49 at V1, get minus 0.72 as okay, minus 0.72 as V2, and we get this minus 7.52 as V4. Last reference node. At this reference node, which is node 4, we expect V1 to be 9 volts, V2 to be 6.8 volts and V3 to be 7.5 volts. So we're going to hook up our battery. So this V4, which is 0, then when we connect this up, we get our 9.02 volts at V1. V2 is equals to 6.78, okay, and V3 equals, V3 equals 7.36 volts. Check the calculations that led to these predictions in the description. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you later. Bye.